Are you ready to jump for joy into Christmas or in the summer? Well, we're going to go ahead and put together a trampoline and do a quick review. So, quick review on this one here. It is made pretty well. Assembling the base part without the net takes about 10-12 minutes, and then assembling the padding and the net takes about an hour and a half. It's got way too many pieces that you don't really need. I pretty much think the Skywalker is a better option, but it is pretty well built. It's pretty sturdy, and they say that it should be guaranteed for 20 years. So other than that, assembling is going to take you about 2 to 3 hours depending on the tools that you have. It is pretty well built, but it does have a lot of pieces that you don't really require. So hopefully this is helpful. If it was, smack that thumbs up and get ready for the slideshow on how to build it with the instructions. To get these put in the fastest way, you want to push the fabric away from the insulation inside, so there's a gap. You want to put it in through the top, string it out through the bottom, and you're going to use the hook to be able to stick it in the bottom and pull out the rope. So on this last step here, you need to put the metal bars through the top of the net. Now what they don't tell you in the assembly manual is that it starts off at the beginning where the door is at the small, and then it goes large, small, large, small, large, small. In the instructions, they just say put the metal bar as to the length of whatever the holder is, which, you know, that's stupid. And then when you are putting in the bar into this guy here, you always want to put it in from the left and then put in the right one. It's going to be a lot easier to be able to put them together.